Hi guys, Varun here, and here we have this really cool motor mod called the Vital Moto Mod. So imagine getting your blood pressure, getting your heart rate, and all those things from a mod for your phone. So that's what it is. So let's go and take a look at what the Lenovo Vital Moto Mod offers.
Hi, my name is Drew Lassiter. I'm with the Motorola and BDS team, and today we're talking about the Vital Mod. The Vital Mod is a modular system that works with the Moto Z product of phones. The phone is designed to work specifically with this mod and vice versa, but it's done through a Bluetooth connection as well. So the phone can either be attached for the reading or you can detach it. With the application, the Vital app, once I launch it, it's going to show me all of the different components of the mod itself. When I hit get started, it gives me the option of adding the respiratory rate test. Currently, this gets pulse ox, heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, and with the calculations of the pulse ox, heart rate, and blood pressure, you'll get your respiratory rate test. With each step, it's going to give you a walkthrough in terms of how to utilize the mod, and it'll give you a description of how to set it up. Okay, so once your fingers align in the cuff, you'll simply hit start. Countdown will start from 110 seconds. Now, because of the accuracy of the sensors, they're very sensitive to a lot of movement motion, so you want to keep it stationary and relaxed while you're getting the readings. All of the clinical tests that they've done so far have proven to be just as accurate as anything you'd have currently on the market in terms of measuring these readings. However, this is simply a health and wellness device. This in no way overtakes anything from going and seeing a nurse practitioner, physician, getting accurate readings and information from them. Right now, you will have a 2.5-month battery life on standby. It'll do about 150 cycles of testing before it needs to be recharged, and you're looking at about 2.5 hours of recharge time. The device will be IP44 water resistant, which means you can put it under a shower head. All of the information that you'll get through the device will be stored on the app and on the cloud. So you'll have everything HIPAA compliant, so you won't have to worry about security or any of those issues. And then your current pricing and availability is to be determined, but your current launch date will be April 1st. All right, so you'll get a ding, you'll get a green light once it's got the measurements. Now, to take your temperature, once I select this, the temperature sensor is right here on the back. So my thumb is right here on the power button. All I'm going to do is hold this about an inch away from my forehead and tap the power button one time. The countdown starts again. And there's my temperature reading as well. So now once you get your results are going to give you the measurements that it was taken, and when you select each one, it's going to give you your averages for day, week, month, and year. And again, when I was talking about when you set up your original profile, so these bars would be considered a very generic, normal range. These will adjust based on the information that you put into your profile. However, again, disclaimer that this is not in any way, shape, or form medical information. You will still want to consult a physician, talk to him about that, and potentially show him this information, and he could, discuss with you individual results. And each one tracks it for you. So if you think of this in terms of if you're an individual who does a lot of rigorous exercise, if you're trying to get healthier, this is something that helps you see how your conditioning improves over time. You can do this before and after a workout and see how your body is handling the conditioning. This is also something that if you're someone who has chronic issues and you're already being currently monitored by a physician or a medical professional, and you want to do something to just supplement your monitoring just for your benefit, not to take the place of that medical monitoring from the professional, this is also beneficial in that regard as well.